So today is May 6th, and class of 2021 is graduating, and we are super proud and super excited for them. They're responsible for actually putting together a fundraiser we've done that for the past 3 years. This year, this class raised over $5,000 for the foundation.
It was a great program to be able to go through and learn a lot about the credit union and other people that we work with and develop those relationships and be able to learn about their departments and how we can work together as one to improve the credit union.
It's a lot of hard work and it's a great experience, and I really recommend everyone to join FirstLight University and to give it a chance because it's really going to develop your professional skills.
And this is the first actual graduation that I'm going through. It has been a hard-working journey, but at the end it's very rewarded what I have learned.
The pandemic had a huge impact on the graduation or on the program as a whole. We took all the obstacles and we overcame them, and we embraced all the changes that came our way. So
I have my 3 kids that look up to me all the time. So getting this accomplishment was a huge thing for them, just to lead again by example for them.
I learned a lot from my teammates and from myself as well. Like I was like, oh my goodness, am I going to be able to do this? And I was able to push myself, and we could always strive to push for more.
It helped me become a better leader so I can lead my team. It's made me more confident to be able to lead my team in a very successful way and just to jump in and take challenges head on.